All right, here we are, Sunday morning, day 2 at Mountain Creek. There's our friend Callum again. We ran into yesterday. We didn't ride with him though. And then we got Dave and Andrew from Dirt Rooster. So, what are you riding? Your Bronson?
You said the suspension was feeling pretty good?
Yeah, it felt.
And the shifting is good?
Shifting was great.
Good.
Yeah. And that's the first time I've ridden it, so.
Good.
It was good.
Awesome, man. I'm glad to hear it.
So we're gonna get a.
Hey Dave, Russell, how are you?
We're gonna get a couple of hot laps in before the rain comes, because there's basically 100% chance of an inch and a half today, so we got to get it in.
Thanks. Yeah, just
First one's up. Let's see how long it takes this time for them to leave us. I just want to watch these guys hit this because I can't. That's scary, but I can do that. So this one's about 5 feet up.
It says pipeline drop. Send it.
send it.
Done.
Sweet, glad I did it. Thank you.
I had wildlife.
All right.
As soon as I did the drop, a creature ran in front of me.
Oh Jesus! I heard.
I can't tell if it. Couldn't tell if it, I think it was too big to be a squirrel. I think it was a groundhog.
Oh.
He went big there. That was a save.
I was looking ahead for the jump.
Ride a blue, I'm guessing tech trail called Twist. Never done this before. These blues are extremely deceiving. Fat lip.
Yeah, right? Yes.
GoPro. Oh, back to Twist. All right, because I am farting around, I'm going to turn this off. right, I know I'm not gonna do that. What?
By accident. I'm not even kidding. I was just flying and I didn't mean to.
So you do this. A total nothing burger. All right, we're gonna call it. I was kind of ready for another one, but Russ wasn't feeling it, and quite frankly, you know what happens on your last run? That's when you get hurt. So we decided to ride another day. I may have broken my big toe in the rocks, so nothing you can do about it. So it's whatever. I can still ride fine. I just can't pedal. It's whatever. Anyway, this was an amazing trip with friends, and super thankful to get going. So always remember, stay rowdy, my friends.